We have been staying at this luxury resort on Nai Harn Beach at the southernmost tip of Phuket, Thailand. We were also able to explore the area and take in some of the local cultural offerings, including the nearby Nai Harn Buddhist Temple and Monastery. Come along with us for the adventure.
We woke up very early in the morning. Michael's not quite awake yet, but we wanted to come and see the Buddhist temple that's right near the resort. It's called Wat Nai Harn. It's 7:20 in the morning, and we're going to go explore. But you have to come this early.
You got to come
by
early
8,
because
it's like incredibly hot.
It's really hot. And you're supposed to wear long pants to enter the temple, which we've done out of respect. Although I'm not sure anybody's going to be here to enforce that. We want to do the right thing, so that makes you hotter as well.
But look, looks like we did the right thing.
Oh,
we didn't wear our bikini today.
I'm not going to wear a bikini anyway.
Oh, wow, look at that. This must have been a monk. Yeah, it has to be a monk. The eyes are interesting. We see a couple of the monks who live here. They're outside of their barracks and they're like sweeping and cleaning up around the place. I don't want to directly film them. Somehow that seems disrespectful, but it's really interesting to see them. Look at all of the smaller enclosures. Each have different types of Buddhists, I guess, or...
That's what it looks like.
Yes, Buddhists, in different poses. Here we have a lying Buddha. From what I understand, the different poses have actual meanings. For each, like a lying Buddha versus a hand extended Buddha, each one is different. And my favorite, a cat. He must be giving his respects to the Buddha. You may want to take a look over here. There's a cat. This looks more Hindu to me, but I honestly wouldn't know. I would love it if somebody could comment on what I'm seeing here. Look at the Emerald Buddha.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is amazing. Guess we can go inside.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Have you noticed how they give the monks water? That's what I'm guessing.
I don't know if that's, I presume.
Looks like we're the only ones here. My guess is that these are all former monks of the order. And there are beautiful paintings on the wall. Wow. If I had to guess, these are all moments from the life of Buddha.
So we're inside the temple now, and we're glad we wore long pants because it's appropriate. It's beautiful in here. What's around all the walls are paintings from different, it looks like teachings of Buddha and different stories or situations that they're wanting to remember here. Also in the middle, there's all these statues, and of course all over the place there's statues, and artists have painted all kind of beautiful things here. There's offerings of water. We know that monks are here. I don't think this is particularly it, but we know that monks only eat and drink what's provided as offerings. They won't go get food on their own, so they'll only eat what's been provided. So around here, we know this is where folks bring food, water, and other essentials for the monks.
After I took my eyes away from all the beautiful buildings, I'm looking at like the hills that surround it and all the trees. And of course we saw the lake, and you know there's an incredible beach here. So this is just the most idyllic and perfect location for a sacred place like this. Wow, this is impressive. This is a particularly impressive building. It's incredibly intricate. There's so much gold on it. But it doesn't look like we have access to this one. They're gates, but each of the gates are closed. Every time I come to a Buddhist temple, it makes me think about my own life and my own faith. Being a gay man from the South, you get this really fraught relationship with religion growing up. The religion I was exposed to wasn't like the kindest of religions. But when I think of Buddhism, I'm like, if I had a choice, I would have been a Buddhist. There just seems to be so much kindness in the religion and just acceptance and just beauty.
I guess they just paint and repaint this. It looks like that's the case. It's like it's made out of plaster, it seems.
Plaster, you think?
I think so.
That's painted and repainted.
And of course, this is tile.
It's very hot and it's very early in the morning, but it was so worth it.
It was really cool. I was pissed off when we first got up, but
yeah, because I kind of had to do it stealthily. I had to wake up, draw the curtains away, bring in some of the sunlight, make a few little strategic noises here and there, and Mike starts to wake up. But
and Mike has had no coffee.
It's our opportunity to go to the Buddhist temple.
If you think this was impressive, wait until you see the big Buddha which sits atop the center of the island. Click here or check the notifications button to be notified.